In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy multiple functions to Azure Functions apps using GitHub Actions with the matrix strategy. Whether you're new to cloud deployment or looking to streamline your existing processes, this guide will walk you through setting up an automated workflow that supports multiple app deployments with ease. Let's get started. The first thing to note is the project structure we're working with here. Our repository is organized such that we have separate directories for each function app, namely Function App 1, Function App 2, and Function App 3. These are all housed within our main repo directory. Additionally, within the repo, there is a .github directory that contains a folder named Workflows. Inside this workflow folder, you'll find a file called deploy.yml. This will be playing a crucial role as we proceed. This deploy.yml file defines the GitHub Actions workflow crucial for deploying our functions. Start by establishing the name of this workflow. Here, it's called Deploy Azure Functions. This tells GitHub Actions what this specific workflow is designed to do. Next, we specify when this workflow should trigger. In this instance, we want it to execute every time there's a push to the main branch. This ensures that whenever you finalize and push code to the main branch, your functions are automatically deployed. Now let's dig into the Jobs section within our configuration. We name the job simply Deploy, and tell GitHub Actions that it should run on the latest version of Ubuntu. This environment is both stable and well supported, ensuring a smooth execution of the workflow. The strategy we employ here is known as the matrix strategy. This allows us to define a matrix of different configurations, one for each of our function apps. In our scenario, the matrix is used to define three separate apps with their respective names and paths. Function App 1, corresponding to the path Function App 1, Function App 2 linking to Function App 2, and Function App 3 to Function App 3. Within each job, the actual work happens in the Steps section. The first step involves checking out the code from our repository. We utilize Actions Checkout at v4 to ensure the latest version of the code is used. Following this, we move to the Azure login step. This is vital as it securely authenticates against Azure using your credentials, which you've stored as secrets in your repository settings under Azure Credentials. Finally, we deploy the function using Azure Functions Action at v1. The deployment is parameterized using the values from our matrix so that each function app is deployed with its designated name and directory path. This step ensures that all defined applications are efficiently and correctly deployed to Azure. And there you have it. By creating an organized structure and leveraging GitHub Actions with the matrix strategy, you can automate the deployment of multiple Azure Functions applications seamlessly. Thanks for watching and happy coding.